So I know that we talked about changing intervals with our inchworm, right? We talked about that kind of stuff last night as well. And there's a video earlier that we talked about this too. One thing I forgot to mention is how to change intervals with your outside mount. Now, you may be asking how you're supposed to do that because the outside mount can't really move. All it can really do is kind of slice in, which this looks kind of dumb compared to this, right? Straight up and down looks way more natural, feels way more natural, and is more natural. So, to change intervals with our outside mallet to go in like this, all you have to do, we talked about this a little bit, is change the inside mallet and then compensate by moving your wrist. So, in order to change interval from a C and G to a C and F, I change my interval to a fourth, basically, which would be a D and G if I move my inside mallet. But instead of going up with my wrist, I move my wrist down. So if I want to change from a C and a G to a C and an F, I play, move my wrist over to the left, and then I play my C and F with the changed interval. Okay? So to get from like a C and a G to say a C and a D, it's the same concept. I'm moving from a fifth, then I go in and move my wrist to the left, and then play the next note. Same kind of thing. Cool. So you'll encounter those in inchworm as well. So make sure you guys are practicing that kind of stuff at home too. And that's the same thing with the left hand. Except for when you're moving your outside mallet up, it's just that your left hand is moving, your left arm is moving to the right rather than moving to the left. And you can see my arm moving as I change interval, right? There's with it, there's with it, there's with it, there's with it, right? So make sure you guys are practicing those kind of things.